Hey, today is February 17th, 2018. It was almost 45 degrees today. Now it's down to 30. The weather is changing, and we're going to have one of these freaky weather events that are coming up. So we're going to have warm temperatures today. We're going to have 3 to 6 inches of snow, so they say tomorrow, and we'll see tomorrow when we do a video. It's going to drop down into the 20s and 30s, and then on Sunday, it's going to go up to the 50s and 60s and then get warm through the week. So what we're going to do here is we're going to see what this place looks like today and what it looks like tomorrow. So I got this big driveway behind me, which I hope I don't have to shovel, but if it gets really, really warm, I'm not going to shovel it. So stay tuned and look for part 2 here, which will be tomorrow, Sunday, the 18th. Okay, so now it's about 9 o'clock at night. We have about 6 inches of snow on the ground. I just finished shoveling my walks in my driveway because it's supposed to get warm in the morning and I don't want to shovel heavy snow. The snow was pretty light. So tomorrow morning, hopefully we'll get up early enough and we can see the pretty trees with all the snow on it. And hopefully this is one of the last snowstorms of the season. Alright, here we are, 7 o'clock in the morning, the day after the big snowstorm. As you can see in the background, had a lot of snow last night. It was very sticky, and it's all over the trees. So this is the end of the snowstorm, and now what has to be done is to shovel all of this stuff. It's really pretty, but now it has to go.